Friday conversation. If you need like tea or coffee, right? Sorry, next time.
I love my public affairs class. In that class, I was able to look at the city as a whole, just thinking about the city of Pittsburgh and identify the different roadmaps of how the city is ran, and being able to take that class and have discussion with the classmates and the different guests that the professor brought in was really rewarding and well-rounded. So that was probably my favorite class.
My favorite class so far has been Introduction to Public Administration, and it's mainly because of the structure of the class. In class, we do a lot of hands-on work, a lot of case study analyses, instead of just the typical lecture. A lot of that stuff's done outside of the classroom, which makes it a lot easier to get to know my peers and collaborate and learn more about different perspectives on issues.
I had a class covering NGOs and international advocacy in coalition building. And it was an awesome class because we really got to work on a real world issue, which is water problems in the Middle East.
I really love the class Race, Gender, Policy and Law, just because there are a lot of debate in that class, and students are like given positions to defend for, and like giving a situation where you can defend position that you don't really like, you get to know more knowledge about that.
So I'm taking Administration of Public Affairs right now, and I absolutely love the class. We do a lot of hands-on work, so we have case studies every week where we're able to lead a case study on information that we had beforehand. We create and facilitate a program for other students, and it's a lot of really engaging with other students and learning from their experiences.
I've learned the most from microeconomics. It was my first time taking an economics course. And it was really interesting to learn how microeconomic topics apply to policy and public administration.
The class I learned the most from was NGO advocacy in international coalitions, because I really learned how to work with partners who have different interests.
I learned the most from budget analysis class. I was able to learn a lot about the importance of understanding a budget, understanding what it means to be in the red line versus the black line, and making sure that, especially for the nonprofits that I am the president of the board for, making sure that I understand how to both raise money but also save money. And so
The class, I would say, is City and Region, Theory and Practice. So far, we're talking about basic urban planning concepts and theories, but applying that to the city of Pittsburgh and surrounding regions. So I've had an amazing time being able to apply these theories to the streets that I see around me in Oakland, G-Side, and surrounding areas. So that's been an amazing class where I've learned a lot.
So the class that I've learned the most from is quantitative methods, just because it gives you technical skills that you can apply for job application. And on top of that, these days job markets seek for technical expertise, and that really helps you to put that on your resumes.
My favorite campus building would definitely be Alumni Hall. I do a lot of my work in there, and it's also just this fantastic place full of students who have come and gone, students who are currently in classes, and they always have the coolest events with really beautiful decorations and all types of ceremonies.
I would say my favorite campus building is POV. It's where we take all of our classes for grad school here at Pitt, but also I had a lot of classes in undergrad through the political science department, and also through grad school at Pitt, you get to use the lounge on the third floor.
my favorite campus building is POV, so I really enjoy being right across the street from Sinley Plaza, being able to go there to eat and play, but then there's also good parking around the school, and it's pretty spacious, so there's several floors that I can study on, and yeah, it's pretty spacious.
My favorite building is the cathedral wing.